Hello and welcome to this short video in which we're going to be looking at what we call Course in a Box. Now here's the home page and we're coming along here. Before I forget to tell you, there's a members login there to get you into the site once you've paid up. Let's talk about Course in a Box. A Course in a Box is all my resources grouped together and a little pathway through. Let's look, for example, at Edexcel Biology. Now anything that says legacy, you can ignore this. This is old stuff. We don't want to look at that. Looking at the stuff that's been updated, so updated, updated. Let's choose biology, okay? And here we are in the resource file. You can see here that all these chapters, and these chapters refer to a textbook that I recommend. And the textbook is this one here. It's the iGCSE Pearson textbook in biology, chemistry, physics. That's one I always use. So when I'm referring to chapters, as I'm here, I'm referring to chapters in the Pearson book. Let's choose a chapter to look at. Let's choose first of all chapter 4, Food and Digestion. Okay, and here are all the files to do with this. So we've got a PowerPoint. Here's a PowerPoint of the topic that we cover in the video. This is answer textbook questions, exam question mark scheme. Chapter 4, Food and Digestion, talking papers, very interesting, look at next time. And this is one to look at today. It's the Edexcel International GCSE Biology Chapter 4 Learning Plan. So click on the Learning Plan. And here it is. This is a learning plan for Chapter 4, Food and Digestion. Let's see what we've got. Over here we've got the content coverage. Now we're in section 2 of the specification, looking at structures and functions in living organisms, particularly biological molecules and nutrition. Just scroll down and there we've got the reference there to textbook again. Now in this column we've got learning outcomes. Now these are taken from the iGCSE specification. So it's what the board want you to actually know. So for example, 2.7, identify the chemical elements present in carbohydrates and so on. So we'll cover that in the PowerPoint and videos. Describe structures, cover that. So all these things here, this is what we're covering in the videos. So you can see here that in the videos and PowerPoints, we do have a comprehensive coverage of the specification. So that's content coverage, learning outcomes. What's next? Well, here we've got the resources available. And this bit here, this tells you which video to look at. Okay, so video, biology section 2, lesson 3, nutrition, humans. So that's the video we want to look at. If we go back a second, so here we're in section 2 of the biology videos, and it's the third video. We're going to just check that again. Here we go. So it's section 2, lesson 3. So section 2, third one in nutrition. There it is. So there's a link there to the video. Okay. Now the PowerPoint here is what I base the videos on. So basically, I talk over the PowerPoint. So these two are very closely linked to the PowerPoint. You can download the slides. You can print them out if you want to. It's up to you. Next section here is the page references in the textbook that I've described earlier, balanced diet and so on, down to large intestines. All these pages here refer to the textbook. In the textbook you'll find some questions. So they're found on pages 67, 69 of the textbook, and I'm recommending here the questions 1 to 10. When you've done them, there's a link here to the textbook answers. So we go back where we were in the files. And here you'll find chapter 4 answers textbook questions. Click on that and it's a Word document that gives it answers to textbook questions. Now here we've got an exam question. Now for every chapter what I've done I've included an exam question. So again you'll find that here, there's chapter 4 exam question, and also I've included chapter 4 exam question mark scheme. So mark scheme is there. So exam question and a mark scheme. And lastly, I want to cover this in a subsequent video, talking paper video itself, and you'll find a link to that over here, talking paper. So that's the course in a box, all the resources put together in a simple way that you can follow and take out what you need for each chapter you're learning. Okay, well thanks for watching, bye for now.